just 5:40 in the morning. Nasty fuck. Scratching his balls on a D train. And this is what we pay an extra, 25 cents per ride? This is what they increase. And this is the quality of your ride. I want to zoom in. I can't fucking zoom. Oh, I can zoom in. Yes. I'm going to zoom in on this nigga and post him. Look at him. He's disgusting. The same. Now he's scratching his face with the same stick he's scratching his balls. Yo, y'all niggas is nasty. Look at in the mirror. Fucking disgusting. So disgusting. You see him? See that nigga? Anybody know that nigga? That nigga's nasty. Fucking disgusting. Fucking train's moving so much. Yeah. Stay still. The whole ride.